So me and my little brother went fishing in this creek that's connected to the Ohio River. The Ohio River is somewhere over there. And I caught this about 10-inch channel catfish. Here he is. Oh. Here he is. Now we're going to let him go. There he goes. There's a bunch more fish in here. Here's a little long-eared sunfish. There he goes. Here's a bluegill, about 8 inches long. He fell back in the bucket. Here's another long-eared sunfish. Here's a big, like 8-inch red-eared sunfish. We're also gonna toss him back. Here's a bluegill. Oh. Here's a green sunfish. Oh. Here he is again. Never mind. Oh, here's a longer sunfish. It's a big one. This is the biggest one I've probably ever caught. Here he is. Now we're also gonna toss him back. Here's a bluegill. There he goes. Here's a, oh, this is a bigger green sunfish. My little brother caught this one. This is a huge one. Well, for the river. Here he is. Now we're gonna toss him back. There he goes. Here's a long-eared. Oh, never mind. Here he is. Now we're gonna toss him back. Here's a bluegill and a green sunfish. Oh, he fell in the water. Here's a bluegill. Here's a, oh, this is a green gill sunfish, a hybrid between a bluegill and a green sunfish. There he goes. 2 long-eared sunfish. There they go. Also 2 other, well, a green sunfish. Oh, there he goes. Little bluegill. Slightly bigger bluegill. Small long-eared sunfish. And there's one last fish in here. A long-eared sunfish. There he goes. And that's it.